Hey guys, I think I'm live. Let's see. I think I'm live. Wait. Yeah. Hello, hello. What's up? So today we will be studying our new topic that is. So today we will be studying our new C++ HTML. Let's revise that topic also. It's not come. Why is it not showing? Hi, hi. Bro, what happened? Uh, What? Yeah, yeah. So hope you can see this. So let us start our lecture. So let us understand. Yeah, let's wait.
Is the voice is coming now?
Let us understand. Yeah,
Is the voice is okay now? Is the voice is coming now? Yeah. Is the voice is okay now? So yeah. So we are including all the like vector, string, math, cmath, math.h, and map, all these things all together by a singular thing. Like what is the that bits slash stdc plus plus dot h. Okay, this is the to include all libraries. Okay, now at first we are gonna learn about a pair. What is a pair? Okay, let's see. Pair, let's say int, comma int, any data type, bool, sorry, yeah, bool or something, double int, char, anything is possible. Let's say p, any name, make it 1 2. This is our pair. If you want to get this, so p dot first we can do, okay, then we will do p dot second. Hopefully you understood what I'm talking about. A pair, what is a pair? You see 1 and 2, yeah. Now we can store an array or a vector. Let's say vector brain is vector. Let's make it pair. Okay, pair of int comma int, say p1 can store 5 6 comma 8, anything. Okay, and if you want to get that, so you can do like cout p1 of 1 dot, let's say second. We can do that. No, you don't use brackets. Yeah, can see this hopefully. Now what are you gonna do is that we know about vectors. A vector is a dynamic, although we make its size predefined, though it can be dynamic. We can copy vector into another vector. We can push elements, push back, pop back, all these things we already know about a vector. Vector is very much well used in the in our problems. We can see that. Let us now get into bit, we can say, more complex things, that is our iterator. Okay, now an iterator, what is an iterator? If you want to know the structure of iterator, let's make it vector of int double colon, let's iterator and it. This is the thing we write for iterator. Okay, let's make it something, anything. So make it a v, begin. Hopefully you understood what I'm talking about. This thing, this thing is the beginning of an vector. See out First dereference it, then let's say second. Will it work? You can make it like autos. Okay. Though I'm not getting it, what is the problem? Error. Oh, yeah, oh, got it. Okay, you have to put it inside of it. Like star ID, and then you have to do this thing. Hopefully it would work. Okay, and it is showing us 5. Yeah, it would show 5. It should show 5. Just run it again. Why it is showing 1? 1 and 5. Hmm. Oh, sorry. Got it. 5 is on, yes. Lecture 1. Got it. Then what you're gonna do is that we are gonna increase the fan regulator because I'm not getting enough hawa. What do you call that? Wind. So now we're gonna, let's say we are gonna need the last element. So how are we gonna get it? V dot back is there also. You know the back, but you have to get the first or second. Let's say first, which will be obviously um 6. Yeah, hopefully you get it right. Then let's say if there is can do v end also. End is something which is away, like which is not in the vector, we can say, which is not in the vector, which is here. You have to minus minus, you have to get in this, and then you have to get the first or the second element. Getting my point? Okay. Yeah, we can use auto. We have already told you that you can use auto for iterators. We do not need to write all these things like vector, int, iterator, uh, double colon, then iterator. Doesn't need to write this at all. We can write auto and id plus plus up to v dot end. V dot end means we have come to the end, which is at the last. Okay. Yeah, and you can do this also, that not doing this, just do this thing. It is second, like this second. Getting my point? It is something which is a address, not a value. Keep in mind. We can use a for each loop also. Doesn't matter. Yep. Then let us learn about erase function. Let us make another thing like erase dot cpp. What is an erase dot cpp? What is an erase function? What does erase function do? Let us include all the libraries. Include bits slash stdc dot h, bits slash stdc plus plus stdc std c plus plus dot h, std bits slash std c plus plus dot h. Got it? Now erase function we want to mm, understand. Let us make a vector because we have already included all these things. So doesn't matter. Push back. We can, let's say it is an empty string, we can just push back. Yeah, push back. We can do push back anything. Let's say one. Then again we just push back two or three or five or six, or we can do like something like m place back. M place back. Got it. Make it like anything. What do you want to do? 6. Let's make it 7. Let's make it 9. So we have a vector which has, let's say, 1, 6, 7, and 9. Okay. And what you want to do is that just want to erase an element, or let's say, yeah, yeah. So we have to write erase function. Want to write an erase function. We have to pass the iterator, not the value. It is not finding the value. It is only finding the iterator. V dot begin, we can say. So it would element 1. See, now for each loop, int, or yeah, int I v. Fuck. See out. I. Bruh. Got it? Yeah. If I erase 1, then 6, 7, and 9 will be there, obviously. Now, if we want to erase something called, let's say, 7, if you want to erase 7, then pretty easily it can remove 7 and construct back a vector, like it adjust itself. Then if you want to delete a chunk, let's say 6 and 7, we want to delete 6 and 7, so start is your begin plus 1 and end would be our 2 3 4, so 6 and 7, so 4. Okay, begin plus 4 over. Why? Because end, in end we pass the, like, the up to which plus 1, like up to which plus 1. So if you see now, then 1 and 9 will be there only. What? 1 2 3 4, 6 and 7 should be eliminated, not 1 9 1 6. What? 1 2 3, we got to begin plus 1 2 3 4. Okay, got it. Hopefully you also got it, that it is not like 1 begin 1 2 3. So got it. Now 6, 7 will be eliminated. Yeah. Now what you're gonna do is that we have already understood the erase function. Let us get into insert function. If you want to insert something, my wish, you want to insert something like v dot insert. Let's pass the iterator. What is the iterator? We want to insert something in the beginning and the value. Yeah, we also need the value. So the value is, let's say, 7. Now 18. Now if I print it, if I try to print it, then it would print 18 1679. Yeah, if you want to print in some, like 1 um begin plus 1 here you want, or begin plus 1 2, let's say here you want to add 18 and two 18s, not 118, you want to put two 18s, you can do that. Plus, let's say 1 2, sorry, 1 2, here you want to put. Okay, so 1 6 18, it would print 1 6 18 79. And if you want to print two 18s, you also can do that. See, pretty simple. Now you have clear function. You can clear v dot clear pretty easily. You can make it a empty set, empty vector. Okay, and there is a empty functions which returns true or false, whether it is an empty vector or not. Then we have a list also. List, queue, priority queue, stack. Okay, and all these things. But before that, we are gonna have a pretty good thought about some algorithms. Let's say, let's learn some algorithms also. What? So we are gonna include what what uh, uh include bits, sorry, I forgot. Bits stdc++ dot h. Now, yeah, first of all, we're gonna Yeah. So now we are gonna learn about something called sort, let's say. And a vector also. Let's make a vector int v. To store, let's say 1, 2, 5, anything. Sort v, v plus v dot size. Okay, okay, I got it though. Yeah. V dot begin, starting iterator, and v dot end, how much up to which you want to sort it. And we just have to write the for each loop to get what you have already written. 1, 4, 5, 6. We have already sorted it. Let's make it like greater int. What it does, let's see. To sort it greater int. Yeah, why it's not what it does. From decreasing order, obviously, I think. Oh, greater int and a something bracket or something could say. It would print, it would sort it in the decreasing order. Okay. So now what do you want to do? If we want to sort it with not this, want to sort it in other way, we're gonna use comp. It's a comparator. Uh, According to something, we're gonna show. Let's make it a pair first of all. Select and pair int comma int. So now what the comparator does, it will take two pairs let's say it call it P1 and pair P2. If P1's um let's say if it's second, okay, if its second is according to like increasing order of second, and if they're same, then we want to decreasing order of first. Okay, P2 of second, then it is okay. If it is greater, if it is greater, then it is false. if if its first is greater than P2's first, it is my way of thinking, like I want to do it like this, then what, then I have to do this like return false. Yeah, I've written this thing like what would do, we will see the second sort it according to this. Let's make it something 8. Let's make it, yeah, 5. Okay, now this will be printed first, then this will be printed. No, then this will be printed, then this will be printed. Yeah, it dot first some space dot second, uh, and end of line. Let's make it odd. 4 5 7 8 1 8. Let's not make it anything here. Make it like 4 5 7 8 and 1 8. So that's all about this comparator thing. Hopefully you have understood this also. Yeah, so this algorithm is fine to understand. There is also a built-in pop count we can do. It's pretty simple, though. Can make simp.cpp. We can, pretty simple though. Just include it, bro. Hashtag include um what do you want to, why do I want to include? I want to include bits slash stdc plus plus dot h int, let's say num, let's say 7. Okay, int count for built in, built in, it's here, built in here, built in pop count. Built in pop count It is a long, then you have to put LL. Oh, built-in pop count num, obviously 3. Set, it will print set number of in set like set values like ones. How many ones? Not zeros. How many ones it will print? If it is long, just LL pass. Hopefully you are all understood all this thing also. Let's move on to something called our list and all these functions. In list, you can do like push back, pop, push front, and all these things from the both side, then stack, then queue, FIFO, LIFO. This all things I think hopefully you understand. Big of one time complexity, LIFO, last in first out, priority queue. Hopefully you didn't know this thing. Priority, priority, QUEUE, priority queue, int, priority queue, int, PQ, P1. So in priority queue, it what it does, stores in decreasing order manner. Okay, if we do push, let's say 5, then you do like 2 to like 8 and 1 to print. You need to should print like from 8 to that. For it's int I p1. Let's see just for each loop doesn't work here. Top priority queue stores maximum to minimum. If you want to store it from minimum to maximum, then you can do like priority queue int vector of int comma greater int. Now I think it would print like 2. It does it. Yeah, so it prints 2. Priority queue is nice thing. I liked it though. Then again, I have a set. Yeah, you have a set which is a login. Another set is big of 1. Worst case is big of n. And we have multi-set also. We have insert function. We can count, we just have unique value, and it is inserted. Okay, can erase, find, then count, multiset also similar, and map login. Yeah, we know this, all these things. Let's make a map or something. Let's make a map which will store, let's say, pair of int. Okay. um Wait, what? I comma int comma, we need key, we need value. Yeah, and set obviously it stores the unique values with sorted. Multiset is not that much of required. Or let us make it like this. Say 2 comma 3 to store 10. Auto iterator m dot find key value 3, pass it, it finds auto, see out, date reference it, dot second, and means, let's see. Yeah, map pair of int and int. It looks okay. Int, acha, int comma int. Find, count, all these things. Count is in our set. Mm, yeah, it is showing error because of the compilation and all. I think so. Let us save it again. I don't know why it is showing error, but it should not. Yeah, it is a valid code. Hopefully you have understood all these things. Hopefully you understood all these things. And this is for today. I will be posting more videos. Oh, shit. I will be posting more videos and okay, bye.